Unboxing the new Tatung Multi-Functional Cooker, a simple, easy-to-use rice cooker and steamer. The RM series cookers and most of their accessories are made from 18-8 stainless steel with a safe, non-coated design. A healthy, high-quality alternative to Teflon-coated cookers, they don't release any harmful chemicals. The lid knob has a new heat-resistant design to help prevent finger burns. Both the left and right handles come with built-in slots to hold the rice spatula, keeping everything neat and within reach. It also comes with a compact, lightweight lid holder, which you can install on either side depending on your kitchen layout and personal preference. This cooker is super easy to use and clean, with just 2 switches: cook and keep warm. Anyone can master it in no time. Clear indicator lights let you see exactly what the cooker is doing at a glance. How to cook rice. Measure rice with the provided cup. Rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. Add water to the corresponding line inside the inner pot. Pour water into the cooker, then place the inner pot in the cooker and cover it with the lid. Push the cook switch down to start and turn on keep warm switch if you'd like the rice to stay warm. When the lever pops up, let the rice rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving for the best results. How to steam and cook other dishes. Pour water into the cooker. 1 cup gives about 15 to 20 minutes of cooking time, and you can adjust the amount to control the timing. Place the steaming insert in the cooker. Put the food you want to cook or reheat in a heat-safe container or the inner pot, then push the cook switch to start. When the switch pops up, your food is ready, warm, fluffy, and delicious straight from the cooker. With Tatung's optional accessories, you can do even more. Cook multiple dishes at once, saving time and energy. From rice and buns to cozy steamed meals, the Tatung cooker does it all, making healthy, low-oil cooking easy, safe, and perfect for everyday life.
The Tatung cooker, a classic icon of Taiwan for over 60 years, bringing color and joy home.